So hello everyone, in today's video I have something extremely talk to you about pretty. That's why the video is going to be very helpful for all you English lover, right? By the way, nothing much. Actually I have written down my thoughts so that you can improve your try to speak fluent English. That's why I say the video it would be very helpful for all you English lover, right? And one thing guys, as I always say in my maximum video, that if you are not subscribed yet to our channel, so please do subscribe for more such interesting videos. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Friends, listen carefully what I am going to tell you now. By the way, everyone want to speak English but can't speak. Do you know why? Don't know? Okay, let me explain about it. Friends, if you want to learn English, or say if you want to speak English, you have to just practice of speaking, not writing or reading. I hope you got it. And as you already know, this thing I have told you in my previous video, that reading will come by reading, writing will come by writing, and speaking will come only by speaking. Even after knowing everything, if you don't practice, what can I do for you, yaar? Tell me. Actually, many of you person comment me in my comment box that Nakul, please give me a solution so that I would be able to speak English in a month. So here I would like to say one thing, that I am not a certified trainer, I am not a teacher, I am a student, I am a viewer. I don't know much English. I don't know much English, or say I don't know anything about it that I can teach you. I don't have magic wand that I can teach you English in a day. मेरे पास कोई जादू की छड़ी नहीं है कि मैं आपको एक ही दिन में इंग्लिश सिखा दूं, है ना? Therefore, to speak fluent English, if you want to speak fluent English as I speak in front of you, or say in front of the camera like me, so you have to practice of speaking, then you will be able to speak English as you want. By the way, there is no any other way to speak. कि होता है ना कि I would like to speak in a day, in a month. It's nothing like that. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है, ठीक है ना? So I hope you feel enjoyed to watch my video. If you like the video, so please do like and subscribe for more such interesting video. Otherwise you will miss out my upcoming videos. Okay, so I would like to say bye bye.